Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Say, I love you, Troy. Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. Now say Troy. Say Troy. Troy. Okay. Okay. Say I love you. Now say Troy. Say Troy. That's not Troy. Say Troy. Good job. Now give him a kiss.
Then it's Christmas, and she'll be back to work the rest of the year.